Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to redeem Temu referral code. So in order to do that, first of all, launch Temu application on your mobile. Now once you are here, make sure that you are signed in to your Temu account. Now simply tap on the option of view at the bottom. Now over here, simply select the option of coupons and offers. Now once you come here, you can see various sections. You can go to used, and you can also go to expired in order to view your used and expired coupons. So for now, I'm just going to tap on unused. Now over here, you can see a field that says enter coupon code. So all you have to do is enter your referral code over here and then simply tap on the option of apply at the right hand corner. So that's how simply you can redeem Temu referral code. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.